Hello everybody! So today I have got a 1969 Dodge Dart GT. It has been bumped in the front, wrecked in the front, whatever you want to say. It got mashed in the front a little bit anyway. But it is basically a complete car other than the front seat is gone. And it's kind of weird how Dodge put 6-cylinders and everything. Just got a slant 6 in it even though it's a GT. Oh, it's got the GT fender badges right here, Dart GT. It had said GT right here, and I think it might even said Dart right here. I'll give you a walk around of it. Yes, even on the inside of the, can't open this door right now because it's so close to the trailer, but I'll open the door in a minute. But it says GT on the door panels. Like I said, it's a 1969. They just brought it in down here from North Carolina. We've got it hooked around a tree right here just because we're going to pull it off and leave it back here for right now. So we're going to go ahead and get it slid off of the trailer as well. Go ahead and ease on up there if you want to, and we'll get her to slide right on off the trailer here. He said it'd slide off pretty easy. He hooked it on the bumper there. I don't think it's going to be. Yeah, it's going to slide off. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Looking good. Looking good. Little farther. Yeah, might need to pull this ramp and set it on over here on this side. Let me look at the other one. Got my grandson Kendon out here this morning. Is that sensational?
Yeah, it is sensational.
Yeah, we're going to have to turn. Might be able to turn the wheels. Let me, this was going to miss the ramp over here as well. Let me turn the wheel on a little bit if I can get this door open over here. Let me go ahead and turn the wheel on this thing. This door open? I'll have to set this down just a second. Y'all get Kendon to film here for a minute. See if we can get these wheels to turn. Yeah. Go ahead and ease on up there a little now.
Turn a little bit more there. You just now got them straight. A little bit more. All right. I'll lay it back and you watch it.
All right. They were looking good. Looking good. Looking good. There we go. Looking good. Looking good. Like I said, the door panels. It's got the GT on the door. It's actually above the panel. This is part of the door itself that don't come off. It comes off from here down. But it is a true GT. Door panels on this thing look great. This one here is a little wrinkly, but for a 1969, it is looking great. The back seat looks good in it. Lots of good parts here. Like I said, the front seat is really the only thing that's missing. Still got the factory radio. Yes, I love it. I love it. Good looking armrest all the way around. You don't find many of these old Dodge Dart GTs left around here. And this one, like I said, came out of North Carolina. Boone, North Carolina. We just went yesterday and got the Cutlass from Wilkesboro, North Carolina. It's even got the trunk lock in it with a key. It says GT on the trunk lid. Now it's already popped. There's the heater box.
You got some WD-40.
Got some WD-40, Kendon said. But yeah, I'm kind of Kind of liking it. I'm loving it, actually.
It'd be cool if it still had the spare tire in it.
It's got a tube. A lot of people, younger people, probably don't even know what this right here is. A lot of younger people probably don't even know what that is. But that is an inner tube. Back in the day, you had a rim, the inner tube, and then the tire. This is what held air inside the tire. Nowadays, everything's tubeless, and those are obsolete. But back in the day, that's what they used. I'm gonna get the ratchet strap off of it there now. It does still have the pin star on the bottom of the front fender on the passenger side. Like I said, it is a slant 6 car, but it is all complete. And I forgot to mention, let me just show you. This thing was a 3 on the tree. Slant 6, hillside Hemi, leaning tower of power, whatever you want to call it, with a 3 on the tree. Still has a clutch pedal in it. And what you do is pull the shifter in. It's not wanting to, I might have to mash the clutch, but anyway, you pull the shifter in, go all the way up, and that's reverse. Hold it in, go all the way down, that's first. And then you come back up, over towards the dash, straight back up, that was second. And then straight down from there was third. But yes, I love it. All right, guys, I'll come back and do another video here pretty soon. We're going to go out here and see if we can get this other one unloaded off the trailer. If you guys like this kind of content, please go to my channel. Subscribe. Hit that like button. Ring that notification bell. Hope everybody's having a sensational day.